Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add an accordion menu onto your product page on Shopify. So the first thing that we have to know is that the accordion, or what it's called on Shopify is called a row, is that it's not available on every theme. And what I mean by that is that if we go from the dashboard here and we go to online store and we go to themes, right now we have Dawn, right, as our current theme. And let's try to see if it's available here. Let's click on customize. And on customize, let's go to our product page here. And let's go to add section here. And you'll see that it is available here on Dawn. So there's a collapsible content as here, right? And the collapsible content, this is how you add it. You go to add section, and on add section, you go to collapsible content. And in the collapsible content here, you'll see that there's a bunch of accordion menu that you can find, right? So like this. So if you want to add something into this collapsible row, you just have to go to the row content here, and I'm gonna type in, this is something that was collapsible. That was collapsible. So something like that. Now, easy now. If I collapse it, now there's contents inside of it. So the way we can use this is by, for example, if I want to do a collapsible row and it says size, and I can do the size into M or L or XL, right? The standard shirt size, and like this. So it's like this, right? If you want to delete the collapsible row, you just have to click on this, right? Just hover over it and then click on the trash button, or you can just make it invincible. So it's not for the customer's side of you, there's no collapsible content. So, but in your own admin view, it's still there. They just can't see it. So you can kind of uh, put this as like a recycle bin. So if you're not sure if you want to delete anything, but you don't want the customer to see it, you can just make it an invincible like this, right? If you want to add a new collapsible row, you just have to hover over it. So let's click on this add collapsible row. And now we have a new one. Now I'm gonna make this into, for example, colors. And I'm going to type the colors that are available is blue, red, green, something like that, right? And now if I uncollapse it, there you go. There's the contents there. And you can also customize what the text will look like. You can even add a bullet list if you'd like. You can make it bold, you can give it italics, you can make it a numbered list, you can even insert link, or you can generate text with AI.